Hello everyone, and welcome to Slow Spoken English.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Richard. Today, we're going to look at an apartment that Diana may rent.
Mrs. Chen told me about it. Her friend owns the building.
So, we're hoping it's a good apartment.
During the conversation, as usual, we'll ask 5 comprehension questions to help you with your English learning.
So listen out for the details about the rooms, the rent, and the location.
And don't forget, if you are enjoying our podcasts, please subscribe for more slow, natural English conversations. We post them weekly.
All right, shall we go inside?
What do you think of the building?
It looks nice. It's older, but it seems well looked after.
The apartment is on the 3rd floor.
Is there a lift?
No, we have to use the stairs.
3 floors isn't too bad.
Exactly, especially as you're not carrying any of my furniture.
What an excellent point.
Comprehension question 1. Which floor is the apartment on?
The apartment is on the 3rd floor.
Here we are. This is the living room.
It's nice and bright.
Yes, the window is quite large.
And there's a small balcony.
I like the balcony. I could sit outside and read.
Or just drink coffee.
Coffee only comes from Mrs. Chen's cafe.
Silly me, what was I thinking? Yes, we have standards.
The kitchen is through here.
It's small.
Very small.
You can almost cook dinner without moving.
That sounds efficient.
That sounds dangerous.
Comprehension question 2. What do I like about the living room?
Diana likes the large window and the small balcony.
The apartment has 1 bedroom,
The bedroom is a good size.
and there's a wardrobe beside the door.
That should be useful.
The bed is not included, though.
Is any furniture included?
Only the dining table and 2 chairs.
At least you won't have to eat on the floor.
That is reassuring.
Comprehension question 3. What furniture is included with the apartment?
A dining table and 2 chairs are included.
How much is the weekly rent?
It's $520 a week.
That's more than your current apartment.
Yes, but this one is closer to work.
How long would your journey be?
About 15 minutes by bus.
That would save you a lot of time each day.
And the bus stop is across the street.
Comprehension question 4. How much is the weekly rent?
The rent is $520 a week.
Are pets allowed?
Yes, small pets are allowed.
Are you planning to get a pet?
No, but Mrs. Chen thinks I need a cat.
Mrs. Chen thinks everyone needs a cat, as they are the secret to a happy life.
She may be right.
Do you like the apartment?
I do. It's bright, close to work, and near our favorite coffee shop.
I suspected Mrs. Chen's cafe might influence your decision.
Good coffee is an important part of any neighborhood.
Comprehension question 5. Why is the location convenient for Diana?
It is close to where I work, a bus stop, and Mrs. Chen's cafe.
Let's review 6 useful expressions for renting an apartment.
An apartment viewing is a visit to see an apartment before deciding to rent it.
Well looked after means something is kept in good condition.
A balcony is a small outdoor area connected to an apartment.
Included means something comes as part of the price or agreement.
Weekly rent is the amount paid to live somewhere each week.
And across the street means on the other side of the road.
And now for our usual speaking challenge. We know you love this bit. So pause the video after each question and answer using a complete sentence rather than just one word. There is no right or wrong answer.
Question 1. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Question 2. What rooms are in your home?
Question 3. What is important when choosing an apartment?
Question 4. Would you prefer a lower rent or a shorter journey to work?
Thanks for coming to look at the apartment with us.
And as always, please subscribe to Slow Spoken English. We love talking English for you.
Are we going to Mrs. Chen's cafe now?
Of course, apartment decisions require coffee.
Cheers, everyone.
See you next time when I may have made a decision about where I want to live.